Now we're going to walk through the steps of leading your own Ready Set Design activity. The first step is to gather your materials. These will include a paper bag, challenge cards, and objects. We'll discuss this more on the next page of the course. Next, divide your students into teams. You should keep your teams small, of 4 students or less, as this will allow each team member to participate equally and be able to share their creative ideas. Next, let students brainstorm for 5 to 10 minutes before they begin prototyping. Remember to encourage them to brainstorm wild ideas because sometimes this is where the solution lies. Also, remind them to allow only one person to speak at a time because listening is just as important in the brainstorming process as speaking. Also, remind students to defer judgment until all the ideas have been written out. After the brainstorming, introduce the activity. You can begin by saying something like, working in small teams, every group will receive a paper bag. Your team's job is to find a solution to the challenge given you in the bag using only the materials included in the bag. You'll have 15 minutes to create a prototype of your idea. Also remind them that the prototype is not meant to be perfect. It's a rough physical sample that will demonstrate how the idea functions. Then give the team 15 to 20 minutes to prototype. Remind them to come up with a new solution, not one that already exists, or if they want to take an idea that already exists, they should redesign it in a way using the materials they have in their bag. Finally, when time is up, each team should present its prototype. Have one representative from the team read the challenge card aloud and have the other team members explain how the solution addresses the challenge they were given. Also be sure to allow time at the end of the presentation for the team to answer questions from their fellow students.